Good morning, guys. In front of me is WIKO U Pulse, and let me show you how to change keyboard language. First, open new message. Then tap on a new one to see the current keyboard. So this is the keyboard that you currently use. Now, if you wish to change it, you have to open the settings, go to languages and input, select the virtual keyboard, go to Gboard, select languages, and now choose the language that you want to have. So switch off a system language, and now apply the one in which you want to write. So now you can smoothly open new message. Wakey wakey. And by tapping on word icon, you will be able to switch between system language and the keyboard language that you set. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.